Why do millions of fans worldwide celebrate the birthday of a wizard from a book? Get ready to find out how magical July 31st can be. Every July 31st, Potterheads from all corners of the globe unite to honor the birthday of the world's favorite wizard, Harry Potter. Born to make magic, Harry isn't just a character, he's a part of our lives. So how do you celebrate such an iconic birthday? Let's dive in. First, no Harry Potter celebration is complete without a movie marathon. Relive the magic from the Philosopher's Stone to the Deathly Hallows and invite friends for a watch party. Popcorn? Check. Butterbeer? Absolutely. Next, why not whip up some wizard-worthy treats? From cauldron cakes to pumpkin pasties, your kitchen is your very own leaky cauldron. Food bloggers around the world offer recipes to help bring the taste of Hogsmeade into your home. For the adventurers among us, organize or join a local Quidditch match. Yes, the wizard sport is played in the Muggle world too. Grab a broomstick and who knows, maybe you'll catch the golden snitch. Feeling crafty? Create your own magic with DIY wand making or host a costume party. Dress up as your favorite character, be it the wise Dumbledore or the courageous Hermione, and make some magic of your own. And don't forget, sharing the magic means introducing someone new to the series. Gift a book, share a story, and keep the magic alive. So, witches, wizards, and muggles alike, let's raise our wands this July 31st. Here's to Harry Potter. May his story continue to enchant us, birthday after birthday. See you in Diagon Alley.